Welcome back to Hammer's Garage. This is part 2 of getting Winston up and running, and basically we're going to pick up right where we left off. If you missed the first video, I'll put a link up in there for you. Well, that would have been better toasted. Thanks, James. That's not good.
Oh no, I see it. I see it. I just happen to have, I think, pretty sure. Yes. Small block Chevy distributor. Yeah, it was $45. So I swapped out that Holly that we had for this Edelbrock. This is a 1406 600 CFM, much better suited for this motor. I actually found the electric choke wire, or a wire that I could use for the electric choke. It didn't work before because the end was all frayed and damaged, so got that fixed up. Should have a choke now. I had a subscriber reach out to me and tell me that this plastic was triggering their OCD, so you know, I aim to please. There, hope that's better. Well, I think before we get too carried away, it would be a good idea to change the oil here. Let's see, to dump this oil, this is a 9/16. Let's see if we can, good Lord, who put that on there? Come on. I've never had to do this in my life, but that oil pan plug will not come off, so I'm going to try the impact. Holy crap. You got to be kidding. Nothing. I'm going to have to get after this with my breaker bar. I'll be right back. Finally got it broke loose. I mean, I'd love to meet the dude that wrenched that on there. Let's see what we get here. Come on, nice and easy. What do we got? Oh yeah, okay. It's thin, that's for sure. Well, there's nothing on the magnet, so magnet's clean, we're good there. Smells like gas. It's got a Fram filter on it, so we'll crack that off right quick. You want to make sure that your gasket from the old oil filter doesn't stay up there, and it's not, so we're going to snug this up there and then put the drain pan back in and dump some fresh oil in there. We're just going to use this STP filter that I happen to have on the shelf. It's Richard Petty's brand, so it's like a racing filter. Okay, got it all zipped up, got it all cleaned up, wiped down. But to be fair, this thing leaks oil from every orifice anyway, so I don't think I was exactly saving the environment.
We are going to go back with some diesel oil because they've cheapened regular oil so badly that you have to buy this special stuff now. Now I make sure I get every stinking drop of this stuff. It's like liquid gold, or at least that's how they price it. Alright, we'll finish it off with this cheap stuff that I had on the shelf. More Richard Petty brand. Because, you know, it takes 5 quarts and they only give you 4 to a gallon. Engineers. Going through the checklist here, I set the engine to number 1, top dead center, before I pulled the old distributor. Put the new distributor in. Ran new wires. I did swap the carburetor because that Holly was just too nice for this truck. Check all the vacuum. I've got a little fuel in the bowl. We've changed the oil. So I guess we see what we got. All right, James, fire it up. Hold on. Okay, try it again. Stop. Maybe I don't have enough fuel in there. Try it again. No way. Well, here's a runner. You gonna idle? It's idling. Oh, I ain't coming back up. That must be the choke. Well, look at that. I win. I'm the big winner. I'm like a hero. All right. Let's see if we got gears and stuff. I'm curious if this joker will brake release. Go this way. Ooh. Is it gonna go? Oh. Now go this way. Oh, I think we got a brake hanging up. Yeah. But it moves. Sweet. Look at that. It's impossible to set the timing here. I don't even know. Let me get it from this way. No. Well, that's okay because we have to swap out the steering gearbox. It's basically undrivable, and we got a brake hanging up. Well, how about that? The old dude runs. So we've got to fine-tune the timing. We've got to swap that power steering gearbox because there's no power steering. And there's a brake hanging up, which I suspect is the other side of the front. This one, the soft brake line had collapsed, and I had to get all that replaced because the truck wouldn't budge at all. So we'll be back in the next video. We'll tackle some of those things. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, tell the neighbors, wake the kids, all that kind of thing. And we'll see you next time on Hammer's Garage.